Starting around the 28th of May 2023, Chiliz generally is exchanging at 10 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.08% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour. Amazingly, CHZ for the most part has an especially complete market cap of $706,100,778 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,319,836, which is genuinely critical. This most certainly makes Chiliz truly positioning at 62 in the digital currency market, which most certainly is genuinely huge. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chiliz certainly be somewhat worth in 2023 in a significant manner? Is Chiliz a wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023, which by and large is genuinely critical? Will CHZ cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high, really in spite of prevalent thinking? These sort of are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz value expectation 2023 as per the Chiliz gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the CHZ cost basically is supposed to in every practical sense cross a truly normal value level of 13 cents. The normal by and large least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to sort of be 13 cents, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, CHZ can especially arrive at a truly greatest value level of 14 cents. Chiliz value gauge May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of Chiliz truly is supposed to generally be at around a fundamentally least of 9 cents, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost can truly arrive at a limit of 11 cents with the genuinely normal cost of 11 cents in USD. Chiliz value estimate June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Chiliz in a real sense is supposed to really be at around a truly least of 10 cents in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz cost can arrive at a genuinely limit of 11 cents with the by and large normal cost of 11 cents in USD in a significant way. Chiliz value expectation July 2023. The cost for Chiliz in July 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 11 cents and 12 cents in a sort of enormous manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around 11 cents in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ value estimate August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Chiliz especially is supposed to basically arrive at the very least value worth of 11 cents, showing how these truly are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, or so they for the most part thought. The CHZ cost could truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of 12 cents with the really normal cost around 11 cents in an essentially huge manner. Chiliz value figure September 2023. The Chiliz cost for September 2023 may especially arrive at a fundamentally least worth of 11 cents, while the greatest estimated cost generally is around 13 cents in a significant manner. The truly normal cost for CHZ explicitly is in a real sense anticipated to reach 12 cents in September 2023, or so they sort of thought. Chiliz value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the fundamentally greatest cost for Chiliz could essentially stretch around 13 cents, which basically is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of CHZ in October 2023 especially is 12 cents with a typical cost of 12 cents, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chiliz value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the sort of greatest cost for Chiliz could stretch around 14 cents, or so they generally thought. Besides, the minimum cost of CHZ in November 2023 explicitly is 12 cents with an especially normal cost of 13 cents, or so they most certainly thought. CHZ value estimate December 2023. The Chiliz figure for December 2023 expects that the CHZ may arrive at a truly greatest worth of 14 cents with a base cost of around 13 cents, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the genuinely normal value, CHZ can truly stretch around 13 cents for December, which truly is very huge. Chiliz in every practical sense. Past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chiliz's cost, all things considered, has shown a decent increment of 1.02% in the kind of most recent 24 hours. Further appearance how Chiliz value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the genuinely greatest cost for Chiliz could truly stretch around 13 cents, which for the most part is very huge. Chiliz sort of is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard within every practical sense. Other crypto coins, or so they sort of thought. The CHZ generally is down to nearly 3.46% over the most recent 7 days and in every way that really matters, enormous way. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past in every practical sense. Hardly any days, the coin could have kind of solid essentials yet. We don't actually imagine that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. inside the in every practical sense. Most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ by and large diminished by 27.852%, dispensing with an incredible really normal amount of 3 cents from its truly current worth, or so they essentially thought. This unexpected down implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be an excellent sort of purchase, a potential open door for the most part speedy venture, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change in every way that really matters is near 26.81%, and the cost for the most part flowed from a fundamentally least genuinely normal cost of 13 cents to kind of greatest normal cost of 14 cents in the very beyond 90 day. Chiliz certainly is somewhere near 3.48%, with the very greatest truly normal cost of the coin generally was around 11 cents, and the in every practical sense least by and large normal cost of sort of was around 11 cents and genuinely beyond 4 months, or so they generally thought. Chiliz value conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will for the most part be Chiliz sort of worth in 2023, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking? The CHZ cost in a real sense is going to basically arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of 14 cents, with pretty least cost of 13 cents toward the finish of 2023, showing how Chiliz value conjecture 2023 FAQs what will essentially be Chiliz kind of worth in 2023 in a very huge manner. Does Chiliz in every practical sense have a future? As far as value, Chiliz certainly has an extraordinary, most certainly potential to arrive at new levels. Further appearance how the CHZ cost explicitly is estimated to truly arrive at a truly greatest degree of 14 cents, with truly least cost of 13 cents toward the finish of 2023, showing how Chiliz value figure 2023 FAQs what will be Chiliz genuinely worth in 2023. Which truly is very huge. It especially is gauged that CHZ will increment in esteem in an unpretentious way, as indicated by unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Chiliz can raise a ruckus around town the most exorbitant cost of $4.32 till 2030, which truly is very critical. Is Chiliz especially worth purchasing in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical? Chiliz's worth is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general truly energize cost rise, showing how besides CHZ can truly arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 14 cents, which is very huge, if it's not too much trouble. Note, there especially is a gamble to any speculation, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Simply put resources into what you can by and large achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions, and lead the very greatest examination conceivable. So these most certainly are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, which really is very critical.